Hello and welcome, as today is Sunday, the 8th day of April 2018. All investment decisions you make is within your own risk, own reward. And I want to go through many different codes really fast. So then, without further ado, let's get started within Bitcoin against the US dollar. And we're seeing continuation within this correctionary phase on a declining 18 average. The 18 average of highs is in at about 7,400, and until it can take that level out, we are in a bear market, and short term all rallies are guilty until proven innocent. Moving on to alts, many of these things have been down for quite some time, in free fall in some cases, like with Dash, as it has fallen through this key Fibonacci or key line that I got in. Now it's going down to this key support level between 34 and it's 34 is the lowest end of this previous last seen area. Library credits, these things have been just going straight down. This gave us an indication of a failed breakout here. It's already had its move. 18 average is flattening out, so it's got to make a decision soon, of course. No indication where it's going to as of yet. ZEC also going straight down from its February highs. It's been consolidating but bearishly within this key level. Last key area where it came from was about the 0.016 to the 0.017 handle. NEO against Bitcoin after this big decline, finding support at this key line here, rallying a bit, finding support again, but not rallying as well. It's looking as if this descending triangle, which is coming close to a completion, has got to make its move. It's got to get above the 18 average of highs and test some areas on a bullish level. But if this thing falls, there's a lot of decent room, and this could easily fall into the 40s, I think, if this support level breaks. QTUM had this huge move after a large decline within it, and since this move, it has been staying within this 18 average, but showing relatively short-term weakness. And if it's going to break down, don't be surprised if it has a fast move to here. Whether it finds support, not too sure, but it's still got to get above established resistance to break the downtrend. Steam was in a downtrend. There's the band flattening out. There's the resistance being established. This is coming back to support, and it's been doing so within the 18 average of highs for a few days. There's a little bit of short-term resistance in here, and breaking such, it should give us a test of the previous high. And breaking such, this thing could be in for some good gains, aka something like we've seen back in the end of last year. Stellar Lumen XLM, after finding some support at this 22.28 handle, it came to this point, went sideways for a bit, as breakout back to previous high, and is now in the 18 average correctionary phase. So breaking out above this could be time for a reversal of trend. But if the lows gives in at around 2,800, there could be maybe weak support, and who knows if there would be at the 2,200 number. EMC, where price action's at now, more time support is tested, more likely it has taken out big time warning signs that this could fall. Verge, on the other hand, has been doing well for quite some time, hitting the 61.8% Fibonacci, coming back down to support, and it's been rallying since. So breaking above this level, 1290, I have as the next expected resistance. That's 76.4% from the low and the high. OMG, OMG, this is a spot where the band's flattened out, resistance has been established, it's already came back to the band, breaking out above this 150 point, which should at least come to 170 as its next handle. And if it breaks down below this 113, I got short-term support at about the 98 handle, and then long-term support at 58,000. ZEN or Zen Cash has had a nice little move, a little overextended, well above the 18 average. But what I like about this overall chart, it's got a very good up and down constructive bias for good swing trades. As does AMP. This is the final one, and overall this thing has had some wild up and down movements. As it's being played through, it's chopping up and below the 18 average with clear support and resistance. But some key levels, if it breaks down 1563, if it can get past this 4600 number, I'm going to be looking for 7400. Getting above that, we're looking at 12,000, then 18,000, then 25. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.